If you want to change DPI settings on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then we have two main ways to do so. The first method is quite standard. We can just simply open settings and choose display and brightness. And then in here search for the display size settings. In here we can choose the large size, standard size and small size, which of course changes DPI. Besides that, the second option is to use developer mode or developer options. And in there, you can be more precise because you can manually adjust it. So first go to about the device in settings, and then you're gonna go to the version option, and you want to keep tapping on version number until you need to enter the screen lock password. And after that, you will see a message at the bottom of the screen that you are now in developer mode. Exit the settings and then go back to the main menu of settings and choose system and update. In here, go to developer options, and then we need to scroll down in order to find an option that is called smallest width. And then in here, we can adjust that value that we have in here. There are some limits. For example, you cannot provide a smaller number than 320. If I, for example, enter 300, it's going to be capped at 320, as you can see over here. And generally speaking, the smaller the number is, bigger all elements will be on your screen. So if I provide a bigger number, like let's say 600, everything should be really small. There we go. Keep in mind that you should be really careful with these numbers, because if you provide like a really high number, you might have trouble with reverting these changes, and of course some of the features might stop working. Like you might have some issues with tapping on elements or maybe even using the keyboard. So you want to be careful with these numbers. You don't want to provide like a really high number. And that is pretty much it. Of course, we can revert these changes by setting the DPI to, let's say, 360. This is the standard resolution, standard DPI. Or you can just go back to the display size settings that we have in the display settings in order to just simply switch to any of these options and then switch back to the standard size, for example, and that works as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.